Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into some practical tips and tricks on how to lower your car insurance premiums. Let's get started. First, shop around and compare quotes. Insurance rates can vary significantly between companies, so it's crucial to get quotes from multiple insurers. Use comparison websites or work with an insurance broker to find the best deal for your needs. Next, consider bundling your policies. Many insurers offer discounts if you bundle your car insurance with other policies, like home or renter's insurance. Bundling can lead to significant savings. Another tip is to increase your deductibles. A higher deductible means you'll pay more out of pocket if you have an accident, but it also lowers your monthly premiums. Just make sure you choose a deductible you can afford in case of an emergency. Maintain a good credit score. Insurers use your credit score to help determine your rates. By keeping your credit score high, you can often secure lower premiums. Pay your bills on time, reduce your debt, and regularly check your credit report for errors. Take advantage of discounts. Many insurers offer a variety of discounts that you might be eligible for. These can include safe driver discounts, good student discounts, low mileage discounts, and even discounts for taking a defensive driving course. Be sure to ask your insurer about all available discounts. Drive safely. Your driving record has a huge impact on your insurance rates. Avoid accidents and traffic violations to keep your record clean. Some insurers also offer programs that track your driving habits and reward safe driving with lower premiums. Choose your car wisely. Some cars are cheaper to insure than others. Vehicles with high safety ratings, lower theft rates, and less powerful engines often cost less to insure. Before buying a new car, check how it will affect your insurance rates. Reduce coverage on older cars. If you have an older vehicle, you might consider dropping comprehensive and collision coverage. The value of an older car might not justify the cost of these coverages, especially if your car's value is close to or less than your deductible. Lastly, consider paying your premium annually. Some insurers offer discounts if you pay your premium in full instead of in monthly installments. This can save you money in the long run. Lowering your car insurance premiums is all about being proactive and informed. At Insurance Navy, we're here to help you find the best coverage at the best price. Thanks for watching and drive safe. See you next time.
Insurance Navy, that covers you deserve.